Hey, guess what? Three beautiful girls over here. KTV, Holy Bakery. Wow, man, you know, incredible pie, incredible station. But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan!
Big Chaka! Hey, guess what, man? Guess who I see here? The best, amazing guy in the world. Hey, but who's the fastest chef?
The man with the pan.
Okay, Big Chaka, the man in the pan. Yes. What do you want to tell your wife?
Huh?
What do you want to tell your wife?
Oh, she's gonna love this.
Okay, awesome. Hey, guess what, man? I got one guy here. He's making pork squash. They got amazing. But who's the fastest chef?
The man in the pan.
Okay, Big Chaka, the man in the pan. Welcome to the man and the pan. And it's New Year's, and you know, New Year's food is very important, very traditional. And I'm gonna make one simple, quick nishime dish. The nishime, it contains quite a bit of those traditional ingredients that Japanese usually eat to bring in a better year. First of all, I grabbed some cornstarch, a teaspoon of cornstarch in a bowl. Then I added about 2 tablespoons of shoyu. Put a little cornstarch, or you can put flour, and I mix it up. In here, our marinated diced chicken that I just diced up. Okay, marinated really well. So I let that sit for about 5 minutes. What I do, put on the stove, put on a little oil inside here. I use olive oil because it's much healthier for you. Okay, the pan is just about heated up. Okay, and I'll throw in the chicken. Okay, I make sure I cook the chicken first. Okay. Just when it's done, I put in this mixed vegetable Shirokiko, or there's some other brands that has all of the right ingredients in there. And it's frozen to put it in. There's the hatsu. What the hatsu does, it gives you vision in the future. Very important to eat this thing. Yeah? And I got some lime carrot. Give you a good foundation. You get grounded. We got takenoko, bamboo shoots. It makes you very flexible. Okay? So you're not hard-headed. You're a little more flexible. We got gobo, right? Again, something that makes you grounded. We got some mushroom, shiitake, right? This mushroom is kind of interesting because, you know, it looks like money, so it's going to make you wealthy. So I dump everything in here. And I stir it around. Then I can add in some of my flavoring. Okay? Put in a tablespoon sugar. Put in about a tablespoon of sake. Okay? I can dump in some mirin. Maybe I put in a little more of shoyu. Then 3/4 cup or half cup dashi. I put a katsuo dashi, so it's a fish stock, but you can use chicken stock or whatever you want. Okay, I think it is done. Here you go. Nishime. Okay? Bugger look good. Let's see how it tastes. Gonna eat the mushroom. Gonna make me wealthy. Oh. The mushroom absorbed everything. Huh, it's so honored. With the hatsu, give me vision in the future. Oh no. Let me see. Here's a gobo. Give me a good foundation. I have the alaimo. Oh, it's so hot. But you know, those things keep you grounded. The takenoko. Very important. Keeps you flexible. You know what I'm looking for? I cannot find this package. I don't know whether all package doesn't have that. There's no kombu. You know kombu? Seaweed, very important to eat during New Year's because it means yoro kombu. You will be happy. So with that, eat all this food that has significance during the New Year. So we'll see you. Everybody take care on the next Man and the Pan. Aloha.